I'm pretty sure you have been watching lots and lots of videos on how to make money online and buying course after course by gurus online. You still don't get any results within your online business. And since information is free and abundant online in YouTube or ChatGPT, whatever you do, you have information within your reach, but you still don't take any actions. No matter how valuable information you have, if you don't act on it, it's not going to turn into anything. Unlike having a 9-to-5 job, if you go late or take a day off without telling them, you will get fired. But when you're working for yourself, there is no sense of urgency. That's why you have to have an accountability system to push yourself even more. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gautam. I provide SaaS and web design services to local businesses, and now I'm trying to teach you how to do the same. But in this video, we're going to talk about the accountability system, which works like a magic. First up, the procrastination trap. All the information and ideas are free online. Yet most never take consistent action, no urgency, no real consequences, no progression. You and I both know that needs to be done. Outreach, script, mock-up portfolio, weekly videos to upload on like social media. The tutorials are always everywhere. But we don't act. Why? Because our 9-to-5 habits built in consequences. Show up late, you get fired. Your side hustle, no boss, no penalty, so you push the task to tomorrow. But guess what? There is no tomorrow. If you didn't take the action today, you're not going to do the same thing tomorrow. And that's why I have built my own community. If you have your own Go High Level website or SaaS agency, this is going to be the life changer for you. And we have this accountability system inside our community where you will be getting all the courses, resources, templates, weekly meetings, and the accountability system totally for free. So please go check it out. The first link in the description. Why consequences change behavior? Loss aversion. People hate losing more than they enjoy winning. Social pressure. We rise to expectation of our peers. So this is totally true. Behavioral science shows we act when the pain of loss outweighs the pleasure of gains. Pair that with social accountability. Nobody wants to let down a partner, and suddenly you have a turbocharged motivator for action. System overview. So this is how the system works. Pair up two members at the same level, take 50 from each wired up front, assign tasks like outreach, mock-ups, like all the tasks they want to do to get the certain outcome from their business. Monthly payout based on performance. Our system is simple. You and a buddy each stake $50 or £50. Then you tackle your assigned task, whether that's 30 cold calls, one mock-up site, or making content for inbound client for your business at end of the month. One procrastinates, the other wins the 100. If one slacks and didn't reach the target, it's not about getting the clients, it's about taking the actions to get the clients. So it's all about the reputation you put in. If he doesn't call 30 cold calls a week or a day or whatever it may be, the other guy who does the job will get the money. Both hit the goals, you get your money back by end of the month, and it's gonna stay again for the next month until you reach the goal. Both slip up, stakes roll over, go to a group fund. If both of you don't do the job, it will go to the guy who has done really well, and it's going to be a pull up and prize money to the guy. And everything is accessible inside the community. Pairing and task. Same experience level, similar goals and stakes. Task example like 50 outreach, emails, calls to get clients. Build and share portfolio mockup. Since I'm just giving example within website and SaaS services. Publish 3 content a week, because we have done a free course. I'll link the course down below. Instead of just going for cold outreach, you have to start making videos to get inbound clients, because you have only certain amount of time in a day to do cold outreach. But if you start making videos, even if you're sleeping, you will be getting inbound clients, which is a good thing. We match you with someone in your level, so it's fair. Then you choose or get assigned clear. Measurable task, no vague work on the growth fluff. Real deliverables you can tick off daily. So we will have a system in place, tasks in place. You just have to go through every single thing one by one. If you slip, you will lose the money. So if you have a real consequence for your action, you will take the action and you will get the clients and you will start making money within your business. Money handling option. Option 1, Vault. I will hold the funds. Option B, peer-to-peer. You manage directly. I've added option B just for the sake where some of the people who don't want to trust me with the money, it's totally fine unless you are doing your job and getting your money up and growing your business. I'm happy with it. But option A will be more strong because let's say if I pair up two lazy guys and they come up with an idea of making each other helping out and getting the money, they're not doing the job, but they're cheating their way out of it. And if you're cheating this, you're cheating yourself. I'd rather ask you to join the option A. I will get a hold of it. By the end of the month, if you did the job, you'll be getting the money back. If your partner didn't do the job, you will get the 100. Or if you didn't do the job, your partner will get the 100. Weekly check-ins and leaderboard. Remind us every Monday. Public Wolfpack Hall of Fame celebration for top performance. We'll hop on a live video call every week with your accountability partner. We'll review your completed task, troubleshoot any roadblocks, and set clear targets for a week ahead. After each call, we update our Wolfpack Hall of Fame so everyone sees who's crushing it, public recognitions, plus that live check-in as a rocket fuel for your momentum. Miss the call or shortfall in your task, and you know exactly why. Hit your goals, you're celebrated, and your 50 is safe. So let's talk about the psychology behind this accountability system. Skin in the game. Money in the line boosts commitment. Commitment device. Public pledge, cognitive bias to follow through. Social proof. Seeing peers win creates fear of missing out. This isn't just a gimmick. You're leveraging 3 powerful biases. Skin in the game, you hate to lose the cash. Commitment device, for example, if you told yourself that you're going to go to the gym tomorrow, and compared to that, you told someone like your friend that you're going to join him in the gym, that's a higher probability of you joining your friend in the gym rather than you going alone. Social proof. Watching your accountability pod crush goals lights a fire under you. If you have a bunch of winners around you, if you surround yourself with like-minded people, and you will be one of the 5 guys you hang out with. And in this case, if everyone is winning, and if you have the mindset of, oh, I'm having this issue, I'm having that issue. If people are winning with this simple system, you will give it a try and you will start winning as well. And you can find everything within the community. You have all the courses, the resources, the tutorials, the templates, everything. If you sign up with our referral link, and you will get access to this awesome and powerful accountability system. I'm pretty sure no one has ever done this before, like the online gurus. I'm not trying to sell everything. I'm just giving it everything for free if you sign up with my referral link for Go High Level. And I think I gave you some idea on what to do next. And if you're going through the same struggle I mentioned in the beginning, like watching all the videos and still don't do the task in the hand, and even if you know that that's what you have to do, this is gonna be a game changer for you, and you're gonna build your agency more profitable than ever. And I'm pretty sure that you got some value out of this video. I would be happy if you like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.